Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make long-lasting batteries. We'll explore key strategies to significantly extend the life of your rechargeable power sources. First, we'll delve into smart charging habits that prevent premature degradation. Next, we'll discuss the critical role of temperature management, highlighting how to protect your batteries from harmful conditions. Finally, we'll cover essential storage and maintenance tips to ensure your batteries perform optimally for many years. Optimizing your charging routine is crucial for battery longevity. Try to avoid letting your battery completely drain to 0%, as this stresses the cells. Similarly, consistently charging to 100% can also reduce its overall lifespan. The sweet spot for most modern batteries is maintaining a charge between 20% and 80%. This practice minimizes strain and significantly extends the number of usable charge cycles over time, ensuring your battery lasts much longer. Temperature plays a vital role in battery health. Exposing batteries to extreme heat, such as leaving a device in direct sunlight or a hot car, can cause irreversible damage and significantly shorten its lifespan. Conversely, very cold temperatures can also negatively impact performance and capacity. Aim to operate and store your batteries within a moderate temperature range, ideally between 0 and 35 degrees Celsius, to preserve their chemical integrity and maximize their operational life. For long-term storage, proper maintenance is key. If you plan not to use a battery for an extended period, charge it to about 50% before storing it. This prevents deep discharge, which can permanently damage the cells. Store your batteries in a cool, dry environment, ideally at room temperature, away from any direct heat or moisture. Regularly checking on stored batteries and topping them up to 50% every few months will help maintain their health and readiness for future use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.